Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we've got something really cute and stylish to share with you, the Top Cute keyboard and mouse combo. If you're a fan of unique and eye-catching peripherals, you'll want to stick around for this one. The Top Cute keyboard and mouse combo is all about adding some fun and flair to your workspace. Let's dive into what makes this combo so special. First things first, let's talk about the design. This combo rocks a retro round keycap design, reminiscent of vintage typewriters. It's a refreshing departure from the ordinary, giving you a unique and comfortable typing experience. And speaking of unique, it comes in a variety of colors, like this charming milk tea edition. Now, let's get into the tech side of things. This combo utilizes 2.4 GHz wireless technology, offering you a stable connection with a range of up to 10 meters. No more tangled wires cluttering your desk. One of the standout features here is the presence of 12 multimedia hotkeys, in addition to a numeric keypad. These hotkeys, combined with the function key, give you quick access to music, emails, movies, the web, and more. It's all about convenience and efficiency. Have you ever been annoyed by noisy mouse clicks and keyboard clatter? Well, you can say goodbye to that with this combo. The mouse provides whisper-quiet clicking, ensuring you don't disturb others around you. Plus, to conserve battery life, both the keyboard and mouse enter an energy-saving sleep mode after 8 minutes of inactivity. They wake up instantly with a simple click. Wondering if this combo will work with your setup? It's compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10, as well as Mac operating systems. Whether you're using a desktop, laptop, or even a smart TV, this combo has you covered. Setting up the Top Cute keyboard and mouse combo is a breeze. Simply insert the included batteries, plug in the USB receiver, and you're good to go. No need for complicated installations or drivers. In conclusion, the Top Cute keyboard and mouse combo not only adds a touch of style to your workspace but also delivers functionality and convenience. It's the perfect blend of fashion and tech. If you're looking to upgrade your keyboard and mouse setup with something unique and stylish, Top Cute keyboard and mouse combo might just be your perfect choice. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and be sure to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, type on.